What if I told you that the most expensive SUVs are not always the most reliable? And in 2026, Consumer Reports just shocked everyone by revealing the 7 most reliable SUVs on the market. And yes, some of them are totally unexpected. Before you buy your next SUV, you need to see this list, because it could save you thousands in repairs. Starting at number 7, we have a model that many people underestimated, the Subaru Forester Hybrid. It may not look flashy, but its long-term reliability score is off the charts. Built for durability, it's perfect for families and daily commuting. Number 6 is the Honda CR-V Hybrid. Honda continues to dominate reliability charts, and this SUV proves why. Low maintenance costs, strong fuel efficiency, and incredible engine life. At number 5, we get a surprise entry, the Mazda CX-50. Mazda has quietly become one of the most trusted brands, combining premium feel with long-lasting performance. Number 4 is the Toyota Venza. Toyota's reputation for reliability is legendary, and the Venza continues that legacy with hybrid efficiency and near-zero major issues. Number 3 brings a shock, the Kia Sportage Hybrid. Yes, Kia is no longer just budget-friendly. It's now competing with Toyota and Honda in long-term reliability. Number 2 is the Lexus RX 500h. Luxury meets durability. Lexus continues to prove that you can have comfort and reliability in one package. And finally, number 1, the most reliable SUV of 2026, according to Consumer Reports, is the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. It dominates the charts again with unbeatable durability, resale value, and long-term performance. This SUV has proven itself year after year, and 2026 is no different. It's simply the king of reliability. So now I want to know, did your favorite SUV make the list, or did any surprise you? Comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car breakdowns like this.